how to construct the bunk beds in the Swift Fairway 530. Okay, if we firstly just remove the table just by lifting it up and then unhooking it off, and then what we want to do is then push this button in here and flap the leg over, and then we will just move it right out the way for the moment. What we next want to do is just remove the cushions from both sides, and then once we've done that, we'll now see we're looking like this. What we next want to do is basically take hold, pull up and over. So this is more of a two-handed job, but I will do my best just by lifting up, as you can see, just like so, and then flapping just like this. And if I just move slightly back, you can now see this is what we're left with at the moment. Next, if we now go underneath, you'll see we have poppers. So if we just undo this one just here, and then we do the same on the other side. All we now need to do is just grab and flap like so, and then if we now get the poppers and just pop them just up here, and same again just here. Next, what we want is these parts just here. These fold out. And then if I just show you just down here, you've got this bit here that then just marries up with this part here, and they just slot into place. And it's more of a two-handed job, and I'm doing it one-handed. I'll show you the finished article in a moment. So what we're basically left with is it basically slotting in over there and then over here, and then exactly the same again with this smaller one, which then in turn again just slots in. There we go. So we end up with something roughly looking like this. All we now need to do is grab one of the larger parts of the cushion and then drop this one in. And then lastly, we then get the smaller one and then drop that one into place. Obviously I just need to pull this up a little bit further, but you get the rough gist of it. We then just use obviously the ladder, which is just here, to get in and out. For the lower one, we need the table and this bit of wood here. So if I firstly just pop that bit of wood there just at the back, and then just grab the table and then we end up with it just like this. And then same again, we now just need to grab hold of the two cushions and then slot them into place, and you'll then see along the back there we have a bit of a gap, and that is what this long snake-like infill then fills.